Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you the easy and clear steps on how to turn off sync all page content in Microsoft OneNote on Android. So how to turn off sync all page content in Microsoft OneNote on Android. Make sure you keep watching this video until the end. Let's get started right away. Firstly, open the Microsoft OneNote app on your Android device. This is the initial screen of the Microsoft OneNote app. Next, tap the profile icon at the top right of the screen. And a menu like this will appear. Tap the Settings menu. Tap Sync All Page Content. So that's it, tutorial how to turn off sync all page content in Microsoft OneNote on Android. Thank you for watching. I hope this video was helpful. See you in the next video.